guys, what's up? I'm Mark and welcome to Epic Confections. I finally got my new camera. Thank you so much for being patient and waiting for this video. It's going to be a cool one. Today I'm going to be making a black and white striped neon drip cake. Let's do it! Go! So to start, I baked off 5 9-inch round white cakes. I might not use all 5. I do want this cake to be nice and tall, but 5 might be pushing it, so we'll see. I'm gonna level them out, stack them up, fill them with buttercream. Let's do it. Hold on one sec, I just have to grab my phone. Oh, it's Anissa. Hello? Oh, hi there, how are you? I'm just in the middle of shooting and now you're on camera. Don't apologize, just apologize to the people watching because now you've kind of inconvenienced their whole watching experience. So anybody out there, if you are kind of interrupted and you're a little miserable now because you can't see me do cake, blame Anissa. Okay, so I went ahead and made some awesome jet black buttercream. To get that really dark black buttercream, I made chocolate buttercream and then just dyed it black. I let it sit overnight for about 12 hours and this is the result. Jet black buttercream. Will it make your mouth black? Absolutely. So I'm just gonna fill these, stack them up. I'm gonna put a dowel in it. Dowel. Because it is so tall, I don't want it to topple over, so I want there to be some support. Okay, to achieve this stripe look that I'm going for, which I've never done before, I'm going to use this flooring tool. Yes, I cleaned it. I didn't go buy a new one, I just cleaned it. It's 2 for 1. You can do some renovations on your house, put a new floor in, and then decorate a cake, right? It has some really cool teeth here, and I'm going to go ahead and start spinning it, and hopefully it will give me those cool grooves that I'm looking for. So I mean, the more that you go around it, the crisper your grooves will be. So I'm just laying it flat on the surface of the board and just going around. So I think I'm okay with the grooves in there. I'm just going to flatten out the top. So while the cake is in the freezer for about 30 minutes, I'm going to go ahead and make a batch of royal icing. Not from scratch, because this is Epic Confections and nobody has time for that. Anymore, so I just got this royal icing mix from my local bulk store. Bulk Barn. It's Virgin Ice. Virgin Ice. So it just says to place the entire contents of the pouch into a mixer and just add 56 milliliters of cool water and mix at a low speed for 2 minutes. Cover with a cool cloth and you're good to go. So when I'm adding the water into the royal icing mix, I want my royal icing to actually be really nice and runny so I can make a drip from it. I don't want it to be really stiff. Stiff. like traditional royal icing. So really watch the amount of water that you're putting in and keep an eye on it. Okay, so my royal icing is finished mixing. You want a really nice kind of watery consistency, like that. So the reason why I'm using royal icing for my drip instead of white chocolate is because the more food coloring you put into white chocolate, it seizes up and it gets really hard and chunky, and you just don't want that. You want a nice smooth drip. So using royal icing, a watered down royal icing, will really let you get a bold color and still keep your really nice consistency. Those are buttercream colors. So I'm just gonna set these off to the side, cover them with a damp cloth so they don't dry out. Okay, so the cake's been sitting in the freezer for about half an hour. So I'm gonna go in with some white buttercream. I just have a large tip on here that I kind of flattened out. And I'm gonna put white buttercream in all of the gaps. And then I'm gonna go ahead with a nice straight spatula and start scraping it all off. Okay, so I went ahead and put some awesome multi-colored sprinkles on the bottom. It really gives it a pop of color. I'm not too worried that it looks a little muted here or that it looks like it's all blending together, because there's going to be drips on it, so it'll be okay. Striped cake. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. If you like what you saw, click the subscribe button and don't forget to hit that bell notification for new videos every single week. Guys, we're so close to hitting 500 subscribers. I'm so happy. Thanks to you. You made this happen. You continue to make this happen. Once we do hit 500 subscribers, I'll be giving away an awesome Wilton cake decorating set, so be sure to tell your family and friends to subscribe, and the winner could be you. Thank you so much to Mariposa Market for sponsoring this video. Bye! Mwah.